I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your subscription on the Peacock web app, follow these easy steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Peacock website and log in using your email and password. This will take you to your account dashboard. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Subscription Details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Cancel subscription. Click on the Cancel Subscription button. You may be prompted to confirm your decision, so follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the cancellation. Step 5. Check for confirmation email. After cancellation, check your email for a confirmation message from Peacock. This ensures that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Remember, if you don't see the cancellation option, it might be due to a payment issue or a different subscription tier. I hope this helps you manage your Peacock subscription easily.